Essential facts to be considered before selecting a HVAC contractor. Are you feeling uncomfortable during the cold and dry season? Interested to find any solution to regulate your room's temperature? Yes, the heat, ventilating and air conditioning (HVAC) system would be the best choice to accommodate your needs. One of the main advantages of the HVAC system is energy consumption and maintains the airflow inside the building. HVAC contractor. Before hiring an HVAC operator, the commercial builder should check whether the HVAC system offer efficient performance, durability and stable comfort. Moreover, this powerful system is installed matching to the industry norms and conditions. This article will offer an insight of how to choose an HVAC contractor and also the role played by a contractor. Qualities of a good contractor. Generally, the HVAC contractor plays an important role in the service industry. It is essential to understand that a good HVAC contractor would identify and tackle all kinds of problems associated with your HVAC systems. People should ensure to get help from a licensed and specialized contractor. Further, the heating or air conditioning contractor recruited by the leading companies are well trained and comply with professional HVAC procedures. It is advisable to contact the established HVAC companies rather than the normal contractors. The HVAC system involves the engineers to install new parts and require regular cleanups to maintain the purity of air. Specialization of HVAC contractors. Each of the HVAC contractors are specialized in one or two fields and the people should select them suiting to their need. Repairs. Due to high demand, the HVAC contractors choose to offer the repair services at affordable cost. They also try to avoid new installations of HVAC system as there is shortage of skilled personnel. Installing process requires more knowledge about the HVAC systems. Engineering/design. This particular field offers excellent job opportunities for degreed engineers and computer-aided design (CAD) operators. In engineering and design section, the contractors are made to focus on the technical side of the HVAC systems inside the office. Service technicians. The role of service technicians is to install the belts and other accessories properly in the HVAC systems. These technicians usually refrain to attempt major repairs and solve the problem in the system within a short time. Most of the homeowners prefer to get help from a qualified and licensed service technician to clear the repairs. Tips to choose a good contractor. Ensure to make a quick research over the web or contact your friends to get a good HVAC contractor. Look for the license and quality of service offered by the HVAC operator. Get quotes from different air conditioning contractor and select the best one. If possible, try to visit the location of the HVAC company and get the details in a written format for safety. Article source: https://easyinarticles.com/expert/rubia_c_j/1862319